Sexy girl bathing in the sun.
Go get her, go get her, go get her.
Here.
Yeah, recreating Bratz, bitch.
We should do some more.
Dish the thrift shit for some new shit. Dish the old shit for some new shit. Be a Bratz bitch, be a Bratz bitch. Girl, you a Bratz bitch, girl, you a Bratz bitch. You a Bratz bitch.
Love thin tats, wear glam hats, love my Bratz.
You a Bratz bitch, be a Bratz bitch. Rockin' a tie, tell the mom boys you're the girl they admire. You a Bratz bitch,
You're the girl they admire, you're a Bratz bitch. Shop for yours today and make the boys say, hey.
Dish the thrift shit for some new shit. Dish the old shit for some new shit. Be a Bratz bitch, be a Bratz bitch. Girl, you a Bratz bitch, girl, you a Bratz bitch. You a Bratz bitch.
Love thin tats, wear glam hats, love my Bratz.
You a Bratz bitch, be a Bratz bitch. Rockin' a tie, tell the mom boys you're the girl they admire. You a Bratz bitch,
You're the girl they admire, you're a Bratz bitch. Shop for yours today and make the boys say, hey.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We're the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, Bratz, we'll always be there for each other. Ooh, Bratz, yeah. Styling.
Love thin tats, wear glam hats, love my Bratz.
You a Bratz bitch, be a Bratz bitch. Rockin' a tie, tell the mom boys you're the girl they admire. You a Bratz bitch,
You're the girl they admire, you're a Bratz bitch. Shop for yours today.
Very cute.
And make the boys say,
On
hey.
herself.
get the shoes and everything.
Are you done? You want to do it with the pink one now?
Okay, now show me walking over here from far away, everything, the whole outfit, the whole setting, including whenever you see the words in the back.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Ready?
Mm-hmm. I don't know where she's going, but she's trying to go away from us here.
Look at that.
Standing away you feel is flattering. Okay.
I'm selling the clothes.
Well,
Take the clothes too.
it says
Love them tats, wear glam hats, love my Bratz.
Zoom up to that. To the back.
okay car.
Okay, from now you're supposed to take me from far away.
Oh my god. Now show me the shirt. Remember, we're all about the... And show me the shirt and tats. Wait, let me go zoom up to that.
Zoom to the.
Wow.
Lipstick is the focal.
So I dedicated this whole merch line after my selfies that I created on Instagram that were called Opportunity and Go Getter. If you'd like to purchase any of these items shown in the video, see the link in description below, and there might be some promo codes below. Inspired by my love of Bratz. And by the way, a new message to MGA, you guys should continue your Bratz collection. They're very awesome. I don't know why you stopped. You guys are legit the OGs of Instagram models. You guys should continue. A word for you.
Don't be afraid.